If your Google TV sound doesn't feel right, maybe it's too quiet, distorted, or just not working properly, resetting your audio settings can often solve the problem. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your audio settings on Google TV to get your sound back to normal. So let's get started. Start by opening your TV and navigating to the settings gear icon in the top right corner using your remote. Go to Device Preferences or System. Depending on your OS version, scroll down and select Sound. Now go to the very bottom. Choose Reset to Default. Now confirm your choice. After resetting, it's a good idea to restart your Google TV. This helps the new sound settings apply correctly. And that's it. That's how you can reset your audio settings on Google TV. This simple reset can often fix distorted sound, echo, or no audio issues completely. If this helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.